Hey everyone, welcome to English with Hassane 1 and 2. If you're looking to master English, you're in the right place.
In the next slide, we have what language does she speak? So we are speaking about a woman or a girl. So in the first example, Claudia speaks Japanese. So Claudia means she. Claudia speaks Japanese. Another girl or a woman, she speaks English. The third example, Elizabeth speaks Portuguese. The last example, she speaks Arabic. If you write Claudia speaks Japanese, it's not correct. So Claudia speaks Japanese. She speaks English. Elizabeth speaks Portuguese. She speaks Arabic. So from this slide and the previous slide, we noticed that with he or she or a man or a woman, the verb must take an S. This is what you should learn from this lesson. So in present simple, with he, she, and with a person, a man or a woman, so the verb must take an S.